quick check-in, just showing you guys what I got to work with today. We got the tripod extension, aka a picnic table that mother gave me, and we got this tiny little tripod on the GoPro, and just setting the GoPro up, having a run, moving, having a run, moving, having a run. Whew. It's all part of the fun though, eh? So this 1 minute clip for you to scroll through, just go, yeah, that was all right. Takes fucking ages to make, so have some respect for the fucking creators out there. Oh, it's no joke. Anyway, that's enough of me whinging. It's still fun, and hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed that edit and montage. If you guys watched this far, cheers for tuning in to T-Dog Vlogs. And if you've enjoyed this content, leave a like, maybe hit the subscribe, support a local Australian rider, that'd be sweet. And I'll keep delivering these videos, and hopefully they get better as we go. Cheers for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.